This particular website, which I'm going to be introducing to you today, this is a website which you can actually make up to $15 per hour by doing just simple tasks. Yes, you heard that right. This particular website, just get to know about this particular website, and I've been checking it out, and I see the kind of offer which they can actually offer, and it's really sound interesting. So I'm going to be sharing my screen with you just for you to see everything you can do on this website, and then you will see for yourself how you can actually make money from this website. So I believe you can see my screen right now, and the name of this website is ProToGigs, as you can see up here on the website. This is the website, and then if you scroll down to this website, you see everything which is available on this website and everything which you can actually do on this website. Without wasting so much time, I'm going to be introducing the tabs to you and what you can actually do on this tab. So when you come here, the first thing you're going to see is buyer or freelancer. You want to choose freelancer because you want to make money. If you're a buyer, then you are going to be posting people and you are going to be paying people to perform tasks. But this one, you want to make money as a freelancer, and this is where you're getting your money from. When you come to gigs, you will see gigs that are actually available. When you click on browse gigs, when you scroll down, many gigs are going to be shown here. As you can see, these great gigs and how much people are actually paying for gigs. So if you actually have a gig also which you want to post, and then you want people to buy from, maybe you have a service, maybe you can design something, or maybe you can actually edit video, maybe you can do anything, you can put it here and just put your price here, and then you see how people are going to rush you and then buy from you. You see this person, she said you can actually promote your links, and then she'll promote your link for you on her Pinterest account, and she's charging $3 just for that. And you can see she's really rated like 2 to 8 people already views and work with her, which is good. So you can actually post your own gigs. And when you come here, you can just click on post gig, and then you'll be able to then post your home gig here. That is how it's done. But that is not the interesting part of this website. The interesting part is the micro jobs. Yeah, that is the interesting part. So when you click on find jobs, you see jobs that takes seconds to complete or 5 minutes to complete, max 5 minutes to complete, and you are going to be getting paid for this particular job. For this one, you see offer to watch YouTube video for 5 seconds, and they are going to be paying you $2 for watching 5 minutes of YouTube video. And this one also 10 seconds, and they're going to be paying you $2 also. This one is $4 if you can subscribe to their YouTube channel. And this one also audible sign up fee. So there are a lot of micro jobs here, which is why I said you can actually make up to $15 from this particular one, because these micro jobs, they are really so easy, and you can perform them within 5 minutes. And if you perform a job for 5 minutes, imagine just subscribing to a YouTube channel, and then they are paying you $4. Subscribing to a YouTube channel takes less than 2 seconds. You just click on subscribe, and after subscribing, you get your $4. If you do this within 1 hour, you know how much you're going to get for. You can do the calculations yourself. You know how much you're going to get from that. So those are the micro jobs, and these are really interesting. And of course, there are also surveys here. You can also perform surveys also. So it's actually unlimited what you can actually do on this website. You can actually perform surveys also, and you also get paid. You see how much they pay for their surveys here, which is not much, but at least if you perform surveys that takes 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, you see how much you can actually earn from that. So another way you can actually earn on this particular website is when you come to your profile and then you click on share and earn. If you click on share and earn, it's going to show you a particular link. This link, when you post this link somewhere, or when you promote this link, when people click on this link and sign up and perform a particular task, you will also get 5% from every deposit which these people make, or from everything that people actually earn. So that is quite interesting, because that is how much you can participate in the special programs and limited time offer and get additional bonuses. You see how interesting that is. You see freelance tasks, you see your security, you can check your settings, you can check everything you need to check here. But like I said, the most interesting part, or what I love, when you click on wallet here, you will see how much you've earned or how much you've deposited so far. When you click on micro jobs, which I said is the most interesting part of this show, is because They have just tasks in which you can actually perform within 2 minutes and then or 5 seconds, and then you are going to be getting money for this. One thing you should also notice here is these people, they also put how many people they want to perform the task. So the more you sign up for the task, the more it's okay for you. See, this person, he needs 36 people and it's just 3 people remaining. When you click on example on this link, it's open this particular tab and it will show you everything you need to do. Please to generate your code. After code, you get a verification. After you get a verification, then you'll be able to then subscribe to this particular channel. And when you subscribe to this particular channel, you submit your proof and then you get paid for that. You see how interesting that is actually is. Like I said, if you have a special skill and you don't want to use the micro jobs, you can actually come to gigs here. And when you come to gigs here, you can, if you have a special skill though, if you don't have a special skill or you don't have anything which you can actually render to people for them to pay you for, you can just stick to micro jobs. But if you have a special gigs, you can actually post your special gigs here and people will buy from you, and then you also get money from that. This really sound interesting. I hope it's actually interesting. You see this person is actually, I guess, from Nigeria. He said, I will provide you with 1,000 verified email lists, and this person is charging $3 for that. When you scroll down again, I will create 20 engaging Pinterest pin for you. You see how interesting that is. If you scroll down to the list of the thing, you will see how much, you see how people are actually posting tags. Yeah, you see how people are posting. So you can actually post your own gigs also. There is place for everybody. When you click on paid survey, you actually open this particular one, and then you can actually see how much you can actually make from this survey. Yeah, that is quite interesting. So this is a website which I actually wanted to introduce to you today. You see how interesting you can actually make money from this website. So I forgot to introduce myself from the beginning of the video because I really wanted to stick to what we have on ground. Just go straight to the point. So my name is Akere. If you are watching my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more video like this. Also like this video, so the algorithm can actually recommend this video to another person. Of course, I'm going to see you in the next one because there is video every week. So I'm going to be seeing you in the next one. For now, stay cool and have a very good one. Bye for now.